Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to get more out of your charting in TradingView, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you exactly how to add a moving average, specifically an exponential moving average, right onto your RSI indicator. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to better analyze trends and spot signals with an extra edge, all directly on your RSI pane. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, make sure you've got your chart open in TradingView. Up at the top of the screen, you'll see the Indicators button. It usually looks like a little bar chart with a magnifying glass. Click on that. This opens up TradingView's massive library of built-in indicators. In the search bar, type RSI. That stands for Relative Strength Index, and it's a super popular momentum indicator that helps you spot when an asset might be overbought or oversold. Go ahead and click on Relative Strength Index. You'll see it pop up right underneath your main price chart in a separate pane. Now we're going to layer in a moving average, specifically the exponential moving average, or EMA. So once again, click that Indicators button. This time search for Moving Average Exponential. You'll see it come up as a built-in choice. Go ahead and select it. Now here, where people sometimes get tripped up. By default, the EMA will appear on the main price chart, overlapping your candlesticks or lines, instead of right on your RSI like we want. Don't worry if yours showed up on the main chart, this is totally normal. What we need to do next is move this EMA from the price chart down into the same pane as your RSI. To do this, hover your mouse pointer right over the EMA line on the chart. You'll notice a little colored label, usually on the left or right edge, that highlights the specific EMA. Click on this label once to select it. Sometimes when there are several indicators on your chart, it helps to double-check by hovering to see which one you're about to select. Now give that highlighted EMA line a right-click. A context menu will appear and you want to look for the option that says Move To. Hover over or click that and you'll get a few choices. Select the one that says Existing Pane below. What this is going to do is move your moving average out of the price area and drop it directly into the RSI pane underneath. You should see it instantly. Now your EMA is laying right on top of your RSI, making it so much easier to compare the momentum and the average trend all at once. And that's it, super straightforward, right? From here, you can customize your EMA settings just like you would on the price chart. Some traders use a 9-period EMA on the RSI, others play with different lengths, so feel free to experiment and see what works for your strategy. If any part of this process tripped you up, don't stress. It can take a little practice to get familiar with TradingView's workspace, but once you get the hang of moving indicators around, you'll be customizing your charts in no time. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another TradingView trick you want me to cover next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Happy trading and see you in the next video.